Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be reviewing the Rig Gears adjustable leather work belt from Amazon. This belt is multi-purpose. It's advertised as a tool for carpenters, but I find that the belt is versatile and very durable. This belt is made of thick, water-resistant material. The belt itself is a little long at about 55 inches, so there's a lot of slack left over, as you can see. I have a 28 to 30 inch waist for reference. The bio also says that it's mainly for a size 34 to a 49 inch waist, so it can fit a lot of different sizes. It's so unique though. This belt has a double pronged head, which I've never seen on a belt. So this will definitely help to evenly distribute the stress that the belt takes on, which makes it perfect for carpentry work or being out all day with tools hanging off them. And this weight distribution can also make the belt last way longer, which is definitely a bonus. The belt itself is sold in two colors, black and brown. This one is the warm brown color. It's definitely more of a hazelnut, which makes it the perfect accessory for fall fashion and is super dependable. Whether or not you're a carpenter or work at a work site, this belt is perfect to be wearing with outfits for school or to go to work in casually. Here I've paired the belt with a few different bottoms. I've tried it on with blue jeans, black jeans, and even these beige linen pants. And overall, they pair well with any bottoms that have belt loops. Although the belt loops do need to be a little bit wider, as the belt itself is pretty wide. The belt itself is a little bulky. As I said, the leather material is thick. It is about 2 inches wide, and I definitely understand the carpentry style of it. But overall, the belt works really well. It's super cute, stylish, and jeans are always in season, so everyone needs this belt. I, 10 out of 10, would recommend it. Thanks!